Honda once made a replica motorbike for a MotoGP racing motorbike, namely the RC213V-S. The motor is made with a very limited number, namely only 213 units in the world. The RC213V-S is made with very similar engine specifications to the RC213V used by Marc Marquez. There is only a slight difference in the engine. While from the outside, of course the difference is the headlights, taillights, turn signal lights, rear fender, and license plate holder. In October 2021, the RC213V-S broke the record for being the most expensive Japanese factory motorcycle ever auctioned. On October 31, 2021, one RC213V-S produced in 2016 was auctioned for 27,100,000 yen, or the equivalent of $203,233. The auctions themselves are conducted by Bingo and Yahoo Auctions. Previously, the record for the highest Japanese motorbike ever auctioned was held by the Honda CB750 prototype at a price of $221,600 in 2018. RC213V-S itself at its launch 5 years ago priced at $184,000. Also offered are additional race kit options for $12,000. One of the factors that makes this motorbike even more special is the odometer, which only reaches 161 kilometers. This motorbike is also being auctioned along with the race kit. However, the price of the RC213V-S was even more expensive when it was marketed in Indonesia, because it was reported that it was sold for 7 billion rupiah, or around $469,964. The Honda RC213V-S itself has a 999 cubic centimeters V4 engine specification DOHC 16 valve cylinder with spring, liquid cooled with a PGM-FI fuel injection fuel system. The bore stroke size is 81 by 48.5 mm with a compression ratio of 13.01. The power produced under standard conditions reaches 159 horsepower and 102 Nm of torque. Meanwhile, when the race kit is installed, the power increases to 215 horsepower and the torque is 118 Nm. The weight of this motorbike is only 170 kilograms. This is because the body material uses carbon fiber material. The weight drops to 160 kilograms when the race kit is installed. The front suspension uses the Öhlins TTX25 while the rear uses the Öhlins TTX36. The brake uses Brembo calipers. This MotoGP replica motorbike from the Honda RC213V is reportedly capable of shooting up to a speed of 281.52 km/h.